The last time I saw Tony, behind these trees here, there's a little pond, and he said, I got some diving gear. Let's go and dive in this here pond. So I'm going to take a look to see how, you know, whether it's feasible for him to go diving in this lake. He's got an underwater metal detector, little thing with like a pinpointer with a round thing on top. So we're going to have a look to see if it's feasible. So a few brambles hanging down. Oh. Oh, yeah, a lot of brambles actually. Could be a bit tricky getting in here. Right, so if I can tuck these brambles out of the... Ow! Oh, just something flicked a load of water down the back of my neck. Ugh! So if I can get these brambles out of the way. Could have done with a pair of secateurs or something. Yeah. Right. Can we move that? No. Perhaps if I went another way. If I went this way. Ah, that might be a better idea. So, we're gonna... Ow! Ooh. Oh, something gone down the back of my neck. All right. So, yeah, I've already been in here metal detecting. It's looking a bit doubtful. Right, getting from this side, getting in here is a bit tricky with all the brambles hanging down. Oh, it's quite a big pond. It's quite big. Yeah, it's quite a big one. It's got lots of duckweed on there, look. That's that green stuff. Let's see if I can get round at a different angle. There's one of my holes I dug. I dug all the way down there. See that hole? Didn't fill it in very well. See the edge around it. But yeah, look at the swamp. So we can get up here. Oh, these brambles. Blackberry brambles. We might be able to get in from this angle. There's a lot of branches in there, look. All over the pond. Could be a bit dicey trying to dive underneath that lot. You know, if you got into trouble, it could be dangerous. Right, let's see if we can get up here. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's quite big, that pond. But like I said, there's a lot of branches hanging over it. And it looks quite murky. Can't see the bottom. It looks a bit soupy. It's probably full of leeches and other sort of nasties. With lots of brambles and stuff hanging down all over the place. I don't think it's going to be very pleasant, Tony. Oh, we'll get through this way. So it's a bit shallower here. It's quite shallow there. But Matt went in there detecting, and he said you can see where he's been walking, look, coming through there. And he said it was quite smelly as well. I'm not sure this is a good idea. What do you think? You think it's a good idea? It looks a bit iffy. Right, so I can get out of this way without going through them pesky brambles. I might have to go down there. Hopefully I won't drop the camera. It's not waterproof. Oh. Yeah. This is looking a bit dicey. Might be able to get into some of it, but I think it's too risky personally. Right, I'm gonna pack in for the day, methinks, because my back's hurting. I pulled a muscle in there somewhere, and I gotta be able to go out metal detecting tomorrow. I think, is it the last day of the month? My challenge was to do a metal detecting video of every day for a month. And I'm starting to feel a bit worn out. Oh, I got a backache. I've been overdoing it. A metal detecting video every day for a month during the lockdown. I did it last lockdown in the spring. I don't think I'll be able to do it for another one. It's a bit tiring. A video, I think I had a couple of days where I couldn't get out because the weather was a bit iffy. But apart from that, I've made a video every day for the lockdown. Every day. Yep. Oh, God. Bennett. Oh. I'm going to have a rest for a month. Yeah. Matt's still out there looking for his hammered coin. He hasn't found one yet. But he will eventually. I got tea today. Yeah, a nice cup of mint tea. Oh, yeah, I've taken a couple of Nurofen ibuprofen. Hopefully it will ease my back so I can carry on detecting. I've still got a few pegs out. I might have to get Matt to dig them. Oh, yeah. So yeah. Oh, it's quite comfortable actually, this tree. Looking up into the branches. Looks really nice. Oh, yes, look at that. All those lovely branches with no leaves on. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm just going to go to sleep for an hour. Oh, yeah, he's out there swinging. He's swinging away, and I'm wasting away. No beer. I haven't had any beer for 4 or 5 days. Oh, I'll be wasting away through. So I could do have a bit of wasting. Oh, yeah. I'm going to let them painkillers kick in. Hopefully before it gets dark. It's starting to get a little bit more, you know, there's a bit of a darkness in the air. Starting to get a bit darker. And I'm going to see if I can do a little bit more swinging, but it's looking doubtful, you know. How many days has it been now? 27, 28 days non-stop metal detecting. Apart from a couple of days when it rained. Oh. Yeah, if you feel tired after a couple of days on a weekend, imagine doing it 7 days a week. And then cycling out to your fields and back on my trusty steed. Oh, now getting all the batteries ready, everything charged up, everything ready, camera, make sure the SD card's clear, and oh, it's a lot. And then when you get home, rushing up onto the computer and up, you know, editing and uploading and chatting and everything else. It's a lot to do. People, I don't think people realise it's not. It's a lot, quite a lot involved. You haven't got much time for anything else. I think I can squeeze in about a couple of hours once a week to go shopping, you know, for food, and that's about it. Oh, right. I'm gonna relax here for a little bit longer. I think I can feel the tablets kicking in now, and then I'll be back to it.